Now the topic before us is sphere. Now we will discuss what is the meaning of sphere, what are the properties of a sphere. We will also understand the real world examples of sphere, and we will also learn the difference between sphere and hemisphere. First we will define sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional geometric object that is perfectly round and symmetrical. We take the example of sphere. A basketball or a tennis ball is an example of sphere. We can visualize sphere as a three-dimensional object as it extends outward in all directions in such a way that each and every point on the surface of the sphere is at equal distance from the center. The sphere does not has distinct three dimensions such as length, breadth and height. Still, it is regarded as three-dimensional object. The distance between the center and any point on the surface of the sphere, let it be x, this point, or this point. The distance between center and any point on the surface area of the sphere is equal and remains constant. And this constant distance is known as radius and is represented by the word r. Now we will discuss the properties of sphere. A sphere is a symmetric with respect to its center. This means that any line passing through the center divides the sphere into two equal halves. You can see here that a sphere has been divided into two equal halves, and each half is known as hemisphere. And any point on the surface of the sphere is at equal distance from the center. You can see from the picture that while the sphere has only one face, that is curved face, while the hemisphere has curved face as well as a flat base. A sphere has smooth and continuous, you can see here that this is smooth and continuous surface with no edges and vertices. Edges and vertices means such type of situation. Now we will understand real world examples of sphere. Basketball or tennis ball is a common example of sphere. Earth and Sun, though not a perfect sphere, their shape closely resembles a sphere. Planets like Mercury, Venus, Mars, as well as other celestial bodies such as moons, asteroids, often exhibit spherical shapes. Now we will understand the difference between hemisphere and sphere. In this picture you can see that this is a sphere and this is a hemisphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional geometric shape that is completely round. You can see here that it is completely round with all points on its surface are at equal distance from the center. A sphere has only one face and that is curved. You can see here that sphere is curved. You can see it from any direction, it is curved. Whereas a hemisphere, which is half of a sphere, it has two faces. One is curved face, this is curved face, and this is flat base. The two shapes, that is sphere and hemisphere, are related, but the hemisphere has a flat base. You can see here that it is a flat base, while a sphere has no base. Now, surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere is the total area covered by its curved surface. This is the curved surface. Total area covered by its curved surface. Now, what is the formula for surface area of a sphere? It is 4 pi r square, where A represents the surface area of the sphere. Pi is a mathematical constant and it is approximately equal to 22/7 or 3.14159. In this case, r represents the radius of the sphere, which is the distance from its center to any point on the surface. You can see here that this is also known as radius. This is radius. We can also add that we have already uploaded many courses on various topics such as tips for crafting engaging speeches, good communication skills are the key to success, how to manage stress in our life, job application format, unlocking the power of mental wellness, mastering Heron's formula, most common mistakes in English grammar, 13 useful resume writing tips, what must be in your CV, resume or biodata. We have also uploaded the courses on CON, cybersecurity, computer virus, and much more. You can also look out for the same. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.